Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. Kattankulattur SRM University celebrated Convocation of 2025. This year, a total of 9,769 degrees were awarded, comprising 7,586 males and 2,183 females. This event was graced by C.P. Radhakrishnan, Governor of Maharashtra, the chief guest for the occasion, and he delivered an inspiring convocation address to a full house of graduates, faculty, and dignitaries. After that, Dr. V. Narayanan, Chairman, Indian Space Research Organisation, Government of India, said, "In the early days, we crucial support such as the small rocket donated by the USA, India space program took its first step." The annual report of the institution was presented by the Vice Chancellor, who said women represent 56.4% of our PhD scholars and 44.5% of rank holders, reflecting our commitment to gender equity and inclusive excellence. He also emphasized uplift others and lead with empathy. In recognition of their extraordinary contributions of Science and National Development, conferred the prestigious honorary degree of Doctor of Science upon Dr. V. Narayanan, Chairman, ISRO, Government of India, and Dr. M. Ravichandran, Secretary, Minister of Earth Sciences, Government of India. Dr. M. Ravichandran said, "At this milestone, as you became professionals, remember success is about who you became over time. Embrace discipline, challenge yourself, build connections, and stay resilient." Thousands of students received their degree across disciplines, marking the culmination of years of academic pursuit. The ceremony was a vibrant blend of traditional pride and forward-looking optimism, reinforcing SRM's role as premier institution shaping the future of India.